You've decluttered, chosen a simple theme for each room. Now there's only one more thing you may have missed. Depersonalisation. And you thought you did that in the decluttering stage. But it's really hard for us to remove the things we see every day. They can sneak under our radar. It's time to bring in a fresh pair of eyes, someone who doesn't know your space so intimately. Your agent can be a big help here. Their job: do one final sweep for personal items and signs of everyday life. Things that can take potential buyers out of the emotional space. They are looking for family photos, souvenirs from vacations or events, trophies, plaques and medals, and any other assorted memorabilia from your life. Plus, evidence of the everyday: dirty laundry, clean washing, makeup, shaving equipment, dishes, and yes, even pets. Remember, fresh eyes always help to prepare your space for sale, and with this final sweep complete, you're now ready to welcome potential buyers into your home.